Enyumre no nsia no Sompa fie ha de abo wei eye omega kasebo etwato okura eno na sande memre dade ni nyina na awatwene mu ensem a eye fisem ehwegu yi ye besan so de ato awo na hye nso se medimafo heba center wono na gusu a wodi mayen ewo kasee mu enti wode time ato ye nso eno sa no ko no mfata amonto nso yade so na wongogo yade ni mfiri wo mukura ma hotomra anase wonyira wo yade ewo wogura se mayira eno sa no eye enkrama mu ya na mom wo asantema mu dia ene na akọ ebu akọ agogo eho na yegogo yade apa entimi nyine biu medimafo heba center just bread and pastries wo mo na ye just hot cake enwumre tutuo da so firim hyehye yellow corn ni bia the vitamins aye mu ma no ena wo mo de je 3 Ghana cedis enti atufo enha ho enkonko to abro kofo enkoyam nwe mefete mole abra wono maye bibia wie dada finish already kwa ho na dome commercial bank nechi wo mo no nso mu waso emu anwumre ena nsa na ba sabre APF free Sompa 106.5 for Tamilo Street ni so no live for hada braka 93.1 asantima mu Adamfo Paul Radio France Aboshima mu so fa bi ene Paris Mountain so the 100.7 wa Sempai ama kodi wafo okura no na wo moda ho na uduru amampreja senso a ene na unemse na najima mbadu ne poto so eno a ena wotie Sompa 106.1 ewatachiman Bono East na hinkro ene 90.7 Sompa eno won kransa mankasim no Kingdom 106.1 ena afi sunwane Sompa 98.9 laji be kwa na abro sanum eno na wo ahinkro ho na nso didia kwa hafo decoder na so baby FM stations no wona busuan ye ho Sompa FM kene Sheben Radio obenya yen wo so afi wiase nyina apa no www.somponline.com ensem ne yurata bo aten akire de akoto wo kwa benya bia kenka hwe no wo ni so ena afi abrochirefo baby ya me wo fa wo Netherlands a wo hwe ye mfiri Sompa FM live ene YouTube ho ena afi Facebook ne Sompa 106.5 FM Accra anase Sompa Accra 106.5 live eno nso wo wura ho abeba Sompa takwa 101.1 obapa na yeka kire ne dom no ensempai wo motase bi na anwumre de de ba ne bi ne se
Abusuafo pani kwanchafo awono ena woda Ghana Medical Association ano de ababa tujo achemu se yarwe bi afiase ama no homne so Ghana anu se ya Ghana fo anhya dan fo mani ene omaso enfanto ho hwe wabobon yade bi so wodie wo mu a tamukuchu kasie yade breo
ene sanya de wano de kofefa ba ena maame akosu aja wate ya wono ne ye poemantan no so afo wono nso atu hofo yede ho nsam ba
wei ene afoforo bi eka ho ena na wotwe mu ensem a efre tichi ni bencheye ebe somye a yede som wo ye prem to break kasie mu ya no pabrem kasie me na face no ye hot bite mu ena ya transe a ye yi ni nyina maako fiti juada ebe pem enura de due ye efia dai emu nsem nyina kan bi ena ya transe a yede eba be som ene anwumre
akenkan fro ne eba no triple man ejapia pam dada anwumre me ne medifo
nana opon checheku Adam abusuya ye mamu atrase na yesrew se femi waso weni enu donhwe ba akode nanso ensem a yede brown odie wo mu bie na watie ni wafutupa mu ede amayen Facebook page no so Sompa 106.5 ye ho anomade na Twitter enom se ye X ewo nyina ye brezi na afenso no YouTube ewo nso ye gye ho mena na ewo ana ese mante na maba wade no TikTok ewo nyina ye gye ho mena ewo ho enu ntikan ho na afi kase no ye no nyina ye ncha ne sere ene abasa ye fi asemfa fi yapomudi emue Ghana Medical Association premier wono ena woda no Professor NS York wodi ababa tudo achemu se yade wabi a yesusu se enuanemu ena etimi pie fi mu de ba na efe ni full poison bie ebi ayadaye a se sabe o kwaja na so na afi wuzanso afi ade aka ho ena afi nso yade wabi te se eniema enuane a yedi ekọ enipaduama a ede ewudie etimi de baba so ye no emu akokobo ena ode ato Ghana fo anim wo se yade wa wura ma no homni suri nyina no eye efi ene fenso no enuane a yedi a yenhyedanfo yani enkon eye obetimi koma atamo djom wose mi tontos mi pe bebre no bebre ne ya ne aprase no na fe ye hwe ni nyina de akọ ne de akọ koma no odufi a wonto ne bo ase noa e masabe emwa wa wom ne nyina nto nananom e won sedo na mo odobo wodi anu ni nyina abo mo wi a wasanso atwe ne ma nyina atranti se bo be die den be wie no wei ko na wei ko na wei ba enu kokobo e na wodi afutuo akọ e de amagana fo sei.
I am a doctor, so I see mostly the end of the story when things go bad usually, and patients come to the hospital from food choices and also unsafe environmental practices. But I think the story starts from before they get to the hospital, usually from the production and farmers, what they do, the use of pesticides, transportation, storage, and also the application of certain chemicals and toxins ostensibly to improve the food quantities, the yield, and also for preservation. But these we have learned today that sometimes they carry some risks to the consumer, and therefore we find this dialogue today, the public lecture, quite timely. And we brought together persons from academia, practitioners in the food industries, we brought regulators, policymakers, and also market women. You found students there, and all that brainstorming so that we can limit the impact of these unsafe food choices and practices, and also cultivation problems that we have.
Yo, na ebra yura NS York ekasa wiye no ena wonsan so ede eye ehon hihye yede a yebetima boa masabi food poison a wora yedi ko enipedem no yebetima hwe na esi ano kwan.
Sometimes it's not just the acute problems where you take a contaminated food and then you have diarrhea, and that's common. Recently, during the flooding that we experienced in Greater Accra, there was a shot up of diarrhea-related disease, and this was certainly because of the flooding that pushed fecal matter, contaminated water into the system. But beyond that, there's also a new dimension to the concept of food. It's not just the hazards, but it's also about the nutritional value. So we are consuming a lot of carbohydrates, we are consuming a lot of, poorly selected foods, and that builds up. And for those of us in the cardiovascular space, we find people getting hypertension, becoming more obese, and they come down with all sorts of illness, and all come together to result in these high numbers of food-related diseases that we are seeing in the public.
Yo, enti president our Ghana Medical Association ano Professor NS York enabusia yete nene no
ene san komona ho wo mo hyiai ewo epoema ntamu na epoema ntanso afọ maame reta akosu agya wate no wo ase bi na ewieye no wonya adaje pa eda wo mo asese wono ma ya ade Ghana Medical Association se saadi wono mahunu na wono ne nkyerɛkyerɛ ne ba bia wo fafiri no se no wo kan no.
Food processors must observe proper manufacturing standards. Transporters must ensure hygienic handling. The last time I met a meat seller, I was so much disappointed in the meat we buy from the abattoir. The way they transport these meats, some carrying them on their shoulders, putting it here as if they are just transporting it to you. They don't care about how they present it to you. So it is so much important that as we delve much into these topics and these discussions, much attention should also be put on how food is also transported to us. Market women and food vendors must maintain clean environments. Consumers must also make informed choices and demand safe food. As government continue to position Ghana as a competitive trading nation under the African Continental Free Trade Area, the quality and safety of our food products will determine our competitiveness in regional and international markets.
Mame reta akosu agya wate wono na akọ epoema ntamu a woyɛ soafo a otua wono ma no na wie no wode afutuo ekwa ma wo mo a ɛwɔ nsa homa no ho na enuane na ebefiri wo mo ho aba se na ɛyɛ kuafo wono ma ɛso ade abadwa so adwadifo nso a wo mo dande nani ansa na atofo nso aba abeto no wo a wato a wodi kofi akwakodie.
Compliance with international recognized food safety standard is no longer optional. It is a prerequisite for accessing global markets. For this reason, the Eastern Regional Coordinating Council will continue to work closely with the Ministry of Trade, Agribusiness, Industry, our municipal and district assemblies, and you to promote value addition, support agri-processing industries, improve market infrastructure, and educate food business operators on all regulations and compliances on quality assurance. Ladies and gentlemen, public education must therefore remain central of our efforts. Mr. Chairman, I must say that every Ghanaian should understand the importance of proper food storage, hand hygiene, clean water, sanitation, and responsible food handling. Changing attitudes and behavior is just as so important as strengthening regulations. I applaud you, the Ghana Medical Association, for bringing together experts from diverse disciplines to deliberate on these important subjects.
We nkomoba ekoso bra Ghana Medical Association wonomo etnasia womo ebiebie nkomo a sabio ekoso na ewi ebetimi aha adwene no adama eno eso na eja wonomo ye na sankomo nyina no international national reporter no ponche ku se wono no enya bank na hadi bibia ekoso saade a won tran to sokora na ofaya wode somoye
na ofuanse ma shebedwani honorable Kwadwo Opon Nkrumah na wode tujwa na wotwi mu ebra na domkasie no ebo modern ene domkuma ni nyina kontina simple ne apaso a ensentrofo hyemu wode ekokko tujwa na wode atudwa chemu se abenya wote so ebra yede abenya ne hye ne sa no ye na adwene se ne tebia enya dia obekọ akobo besia ede afri babia de abebu na mamuo afede ede ne nam so ma kote bayra homa mu osoro amana mu akase ye kase etuo makomako nwotwe sebe enya mato nemum etuo taxes makomako nwotwe ana ben wode ababeta o man Ghana to a ebi ani se 2% levy a wode akwakoto mining production so ena afenso no 15% VAT so a wode akwakoto non life insurance so o se etuo woni bebre ho no ma ben waye na adwene se etuo na no be ya na adwene so obebo miken wo bensu o shebo ka che Ghana for se nya de obekwakoje etuo e de ababechiche ne man.
In the minister's presentation, I'm sure you heard him saying that as part of their fiscal reforms, they did not introduce any new taxes. You heard him loud and clear. It is our hope that you do not have a short memory, as they are hoping that you do. Remember, they've told you that the people of Ghana have a short memory, so they can tell you anything and they believe you would have forgotten the facts. For the records, they introduced a 2% growth and sustainability levy on the gross production of mining companies, a special import levy of 2% on cost insurance and freight value of certain goods, and then 15% VAT on non-life insurance premiums. The fourth tax they introduced was the growth and sustainability levy for 2026, 2027, 2028. Then they also introduced the special import levy for 2026, 2027, 2028, and then the 8% Dunso levy, the one they brought almost at midnight, before they brought the petroleum-related levies that this government introduced. Yet the minister was telling you they hadn't introduced new taxes. If you didn't pay attention, you would have missed the fact that he introduced one more tax.
Enti
abusia fasi ma shebedwani honorable Kwadwo Opon Nkrumah na go bi pentem abo ewremu abusia yete ene foforo ewo ho no yewrai ede nsem de kokoto dwa wotwe Ghana fo adwen siso se Ghana fo we fi na se bia ben wote so emri bi atwem akọ wo se Ghana ya adwene yekuta yen esha short memory no ofo se no a omo kai se ne o kai no omo da so ekai
ene saa semi ho no ana etwetwe ya ma National Association of Graded Teachers ye twadi tiafra omo na gratefo omo se omo diaba na ho ya opa teacher ne photo samfo se ubebo omo ya kwa nhoma media na de ye dia manaka ana se mpo mo bepe fofora ka ho mo se mo mobosia na ekwawie achechefo wo mo hawo de manka kitwa mpo ko kura wanka bi na we no wo mo president Yera Jacob Anaba wono enenya adaje sedabi sompa mo bobo obosu nyina na yete radio no hu tie mu na so hemfa na wo kai achachefo asem enkanka teacher dabre no na de tie no
first one here teacher dabre minister no can say we start AC 100 accommodations ama teacher for maintain bia our media review no. Second one is say 20% deprived area allowance no on start na only din komo on measure say na betia we so one can answer. Third one is say we see business schools. Now business schools no be see no on the teacher accommodation that can one cancer no inside in the media review. Then a chance say we are ready say sanya mano we promise no on me. Na yen if say nya minister no kan no enye adia e be so and say government and if say yema ye no as teachers and so yema one say promotion sema ya kan ho sem from deputy director to director 2 and director 1 and so the bribe area allowance higher 20% of our basic salary and so and any teacher adabre and so say means say government no bibi
enti teacher afremo ene teachers do mu na won mani abra wo mo kase yewura Jacob anaba wono na ye president edema nagratikuo no na wo kase yi
abusuanfe ya tiasi na wotwe mu ensem a ma no homne so fiti adwada bepem eye enedadua yi ena yede ebrem no na yemfi ase wo eda no adwada no mu dano adwada no anu sei oman Ghana hanu sei ansem bi koso no kura ni nyame anum nie eye ebinum de ebinum so de anya omo de kura ebinum bo se bo mutu mu hire no na ebinum so afiase ebisa omo kuntu ene afenso omo kobren omo ntade tuntum ewe hefa omo wayiem chema huntumi ya asante mantem dwentreni edema MPP osono amanyokuo no na wotwe beto odwa kyeremu se openi kopie mu asemdibia no kura ne nyame anim na ebra na okono ne nani naso mpo se wokwa enya de obesan so pokura aba behwe ne fie mpo kura ka ode koye no wasan aba betremu asemi areho na ebra wokono na tade ehye no yellow eno ode jolomi blue aye animu enti woko nyina wo sresre eya no aye ne nsamienu na ode akan sina no na afi wapeja de akosoro timu amohemu TV so se ya na eno ebeto odwa mu se chema wontumi kopie mu high court no ebeto odwa mu se yede no up to afiase emfihie duonu 20 years enum enenam so ama executive chief executive officer edema Ghana Chamber of Mine engineer Ken Ashigbe wode ababetu dwa chem se no kra ni nyame anumnie wei ni esi ebeye futu ade pa de akọ ede ama obibia wotu efem agudie ezan se efem agudie tu ewo Ghana anum se yade ese yensuom ese yensase ese nye nipadua mpokro nyankopon ede dum ye ba asase so opemfo onyem no te ba bia etu efem agudie a anhwa da hyan ko ma obewo no na fe ne ba no hu ba bi akọchew kakra ni nyina no aye efem agudie obi beka kire se personal interest efutu ode ko edema efem agudie fo no ebini
20 years is good enough. I would wish that all kingpins that are involved in Galamsey, when we arrest them, we should give them the maximum 25 years and then the maximum fine, because the law permits, either a fine or the custodial sentence or both. And because of the enormity of the damage that these kingpins do to us, it is important that we exact the maximum sentence to serve as a deterrent. But again, is it punitive enough? Yes, this is not enough. But the question you ask is that where are the other politically exposed persons who are still looting and parading corridors of power, who are involved in this illegality?
Abusuya engineer Ken Ashigbe ena yete ne kanona enu eche na private legal practitioner yera Martin Pebu ono kra de wo se chema wontumi asante mantem dwentreni MPP amanyokoye de na to afiatin fi schedule nu no kra ni nyame anum nie edi adanse se wo man Ghana efom agudie nu ye betimi akọ ne ye beko osonso a e betimi akọ e de etia amanyofo.
But it's also good to quickly make clear that the reports and complaints against Wontumi were said that a lot of them were even before the new government took over. It's not only ORA that started this campaign. As the fight against Galamsey had taken us off in earnest to the extent that by October 2024, the Akufo-Addo regime saw that the spirit of the Ghanaian people was stronger than their attempt to mine in forests, etc. So they were beginning to give up and were even willing to repeal the LI 2062, etc. So if you go back into our history, you see that it's not this new administration that came and championed. Of course, they have taken the same action and resulted in their conviction.
We a private legal practitioner. Yera Martin Pebu ena ebusuya yete se ono so kire na adwen e de fa chema wuntumi ni jailin ehun
na adwen kire no ayasa hwene obi ade fatananim ekoba ne sa no kane mrahye badwani e de ma ade hia wono mo asante achem na tifi yewura ndi apia kubi mranim ni wono kane asemi kura no wo ho be wi ohoro ne nsafiri ho no wono so be kasa ho no was sa 25 years j term ne de wono no wo emra perspective no so de wo kan no ni
because if me hold up media in my practice as a lawyer and as a citizen of Ghana, the minister it's your man papa. This is here court to Diabe. The Kappa or me said, oh my way. Now, judicial system, anything to do, we have to bow our heads in shape. I just say, media, Obi Bonia, Mrs. Bonino, so says, you can also means to cry. Papa, what do you mean based on this evidence? I mean, media, robbery. Evidence here, we say, a Nipa B, a transfer of interest, legal interest in land without ABC. There is no evidence or record there is any transfer, no conveyance. I'm gonna say you can only transfer interest in land. That's one to an executed document. My judge be a transfer. There is a transfer of interest in land. I will be a lawyer.
We eya kanem ra sebadwane de ma de hye wo asante achimatifi yewura ndi apia kubi mranim ni na asemi ho said the Chama to me 20 years, and I was one who would know ho, say, or ye lawyer sunset, baby, I won't dimmer than namano, where I'm renimini, then so yenti.
Abusia wo Chama won to me once and semi say, and penny force and fear ban edie, and I feel so no ya 1 point de anuamu ne bedi agro. Na watchi e kan sama man ho me so pa no ho, enu nti egusu ye wo mu a. Na won say Chama won to me wo Asante mantem na wofri na ehwo so no ye dwem training di ma eye mantem ni nyina wa MPP amanyoko ano enti aba ni se na ehwonye se wo se yesoma ya mani bofo a ewo ya asante mantem no mukopie mu ewo ne boboa no na afi wo ne Ghana fo e kasa bi so mo se omwura omodehye e na ye de ni koye owo de ebe na ombeka fo ne bi di to ba bedu asum krampo chese bawa no kura ne nyame anu nie emfihye duo no e de ama chema wuntum ni se bia de wakum nipa na wani be na waye na se oman Ghana no onka ho nemum ni omu betimi aka cha ni se eye political hash ana political tosha ebi nso che se ni echema wontumi aye insu a wase no insase wase no ene insu tokwa na yira framanfo bi no ni nyina no abasobo anasa so 20 years ne kwampo de omusuze iswa
wana ina ese ko ye wan fanya dia and say ara so betua ana say ono ade no body betua because music am twa me taxi driver me taxi kaka ye me na ono waja ono kwa wa fan nji say bi o mani sika dia ndi nyame anim ni ye me ya o mu say chama untumi ne kasa bi ene no ma bi ankoyi but mpanifo say twa ka tere matoton wi a na wonwe nam bia tina we de say me kra no mi hu asem kokra na menye de o ya me ya ba cha nya me ya pisa because heboni a wadi a asotwe fata do na wanya o bi se me drop ne ko no mire so we forest na wasi ase forest era he koko road a jiji ska bi o ya na bi kwa che se ko jiji ska bi so ko ye fu bi ni nyina ye wa nya ho akonta papa bi a nti no 2020 enkeye ye
we eye adehye we ya santimantem chema wontumi mantem one ofre ena ye ko hodoma ye koje mantem no so o madwenkyere e de fa ne 20 years ni
ye fra santima mu a eno ye nwura mu ewo srementifi boko central mra hye badwani na watwe mu edabnada no na obebi asem bi so ma Ghana fo dodo na na ente ye no so bobna ne nyina ne se dabon overload no de wono na woyo hempopra wo dabon ya na Abukari Mahama otoso mienu yekoda ma de echi ye dabnada no wo mbebo amane ese na nakọ ekura na no na yewura mama yarega wo kasa wo sa asemi ho ne nsem ni bnada no
went to appeal to the king to assist in trying to bring peace to Boko. And that day he was in very good spirit, very good health, and he spent a very long time with me. And he took me through all the efforts that he personally made unite the Yagbon kingdom, culminating in his grand visit to the Yagbon Wura, and how on that day all the gates in Gabon followed him to visit his brother, and it demonstrated the unity and the strength of Gabon. That was when he knew that he indeed had arrived. He had united the entire, based on the principles, fairness, principles of give and take, principles of equity, hearing everybody. And I then indicated to him he will be needed to help stitch the situation in Boku. He pledged his support for the process and gave an indication in whatever way we will need him to assist.
And we Rebecca said, Benadano, you're a mama yarega, what's ye?
Na eda Benadana ya Benane kwa Benafo Danano, ena Mrashebe Jefie, yera Abba Kidfo Smani Babin, Father, oh, Father, ono etina na konya kesi mo Mrashebe Jefie ho. Na enumu na wade kokobo eko ediama Mrashebe Jafua, sabi obi wo honoma. Ebre wo so odi fifie ebesen ko Mrashebe Jefie ko di dwumaso ede bo man Ghana no wo trafia wo ye letipe no aso sanwen wen na fo odi nam kwamu sabe no ye dede saa ena wode kokobo ko de ama Mrashebe Jefie no eche kwan wo behia se sare wo hoi ebre wo so hia no ebre wo so hia no na wode afutu eka ho bi aposifo tumi ni omudibre kuta omnso no okasafo ho sei.
Office of the Speaker has received a communication from the Honorable Minister for the Interior conveying a directive on the use of police resources, particularly police escort services, and the installation and use of sirens on vehicles. The communication requests that the directive be brought to the attention of Honorable Members of Parliament and the Parliamentary Service. Honorable Members, according to the communication, Cabinet, in compliance with existing law, has requested, among other things, that no person shall install or use a siren on any official or private vehicle without the prior written authorization of the minister responsible for the interior. Similarly, no person is to utilize police resources, particularly police escort services, without the requisite written authorization of the Minister for the Interior or the Inspector General of Police acting on behalf of the Minister. The communication further indicates that the Ghana Police Service has been directed to enforce the directive, including the removal and seizure of unauthorized sirens, the discontinuance of unauthorized police escort services, and the institution.
Chiame yini wo Mrashebe Jefie, Right Honorable Abba Kidfo Smani Babin ena yete ninino.
Eno eda Benada krona na Benada ne munso ena maame Patricia Epiaji. Donkuma no wono ena ye batampa otua yewura Alexander Osahene afenyo make na chipe. Na eno na maame Patricia Epiaji de bebo so chese wono de case na ekọ so a wo mo edi no de ebobọ ba ye nyina untumi de no wonyaya ankasa de yewura chachuchi kata na asam no ye ne case no sasa na court no yo anka wo mo mfa no na nhweso na wo mo mfa ni yewura untumi de no.
We call on the judiciary to reaffirm the threshold for constitutional referral with express regard to the Supreme Court's own decision in the Zanato case. And we call on all Ghanaians of every party to insist that the standard which cleared Mr. Chikese's name in 2016 be demanded with equal conviction today. Let us be clear about what this statement is. It is not an attack on the judiciary as an institution. It is a call for consistency.
Eno ana maame Patricia Epiaji na wie no was how they say ene to aso.
First, the denial of a council of choice we understand that judgment was delivered despite the absence of Chairman Wuntumi's lead counsel, whose office had notified the court of a prior professional engagement abroad. Second, the refusal to refer serious constitutional questions to the Supreme Court. The trial judge decided for herself that Section 99 2B of the Minerals and Mining Act was, in her own words, clear and unambiguous. Third, and perhaps most vulnerable of all on the law, is how the court pierced Akunta Mining Limited's corporate veil to convict Chairman Wuntumi.
Wey, Emra, na mame, watchre muono, said the nanka was ayo, na anyosa. Wey, don kumano, Baron Abedi, Mama Patricia, appear JMPP Rosalinda.
Abusia ye ka wo se na wotwe mu kase e na yegusu aye bi ede ema wosano na yabwawura ede wukwada mu na enhia so ma hyebedwani eye honorable Stephen Amua na wotwe wodi tujo ma hyebedwa fie kire mu se no kro ni nyame anum nie abrantie bi a ono a wo ye ne body pa as ebase wo ye nhwehwemu ewo ne nwumadi a wodi mu a ene otwa ne prise nanso wakwakwa ye ade bi ewo ne mpeso aso no kro nyamianum nie osusu se yewrai wankọ biaye a wodi ne dwuma so ene okokọ ye san hwemu no openi asem ben ena yerastika eken eye Musa Dankwa oye poster wase Musa Dankwa akoye nhwemu bi woni constituency wono ma wo bisaga na fo se nyuma so amna hyebedwani owo hono eye no sempa ne tie o se nhwemu ni nyina beto na wieye no yerastika wa bo wodalas kra 23% say who bondok wonu sabi wanya hwe kra won empeso aso no sabi na nya amanfo wa pagya omdo ma security service mu wodi ebinum akwa brochire na ogina so bisa Yewura Musa Dankwa say seni one ne nanfo sem sifatie pa no de be mpa ne ni nyina ye ogina so a odi esen hwem na Yewura Musa Dankwa de tudwa chem so bisa atemamufu a ewo enhyae so say no kure ne mo kwan te sen omo say kwanye os ne so MP onya kwan ebio edebe mpa no Musa so di gina so de o so obi so msa amafo sika mu botom etesen enu so economy o se na dem ya aban na yentie se na Yewura sika echiemu sei
Ninia amebu no edu obu okese ma no na megina adwuma na oyɛ musu adan kyerɛ sɛ adwuma oyɛ ni nyinaa esuda babish me pese osa babie fi sɛ yɛse wahwehwɛ MPC bi enyuma ɔmo yɛ ama wɔde bi agyina baabi so ma anya ade ɔmo nya yɛ India constituencies wɔde nhia so ka ho enya no kora da minim ha oyɛ no research efi sɛ scholarship yɛde buan for local constituency mu no awurade wɔ ni mu research ma yɛbu apem ne akyire sɛ minsuo kora no mtimi data ni ya bɛ apem ne ahena kan say sɛ menyɛ tables and chairs and grand mienu ahena ma to new total highlights as a border fight insecurity communities. I think say in Shia, so if it's not the only constituency among the few constituencies, I said that your official research. I make my send them, you are send them a movie. You want and crowded where a percentage by the research sample. I won't share you away, almost school, only maybe now we share. So my attitude, woman, son, you might about him saying, you see a cake, you see solid BSTV, you see a bag, you have the tremendous animal. What they are not at one chair, food wages, in fact, and sorry, I would do 100 bags of cement, 100 million, organisms, 200 bags on cement, and the go and check. Even now, I'm collaborating with the mosque to build Makarantas. What they are not doing China, the core functions of MPA, I believe in myself. Sir, you cannot pick 5 people who are.
Abusia, brand Facebook now, the brand about Yewura stika. Send an enia bre a workers or champ produce software. Oja sorry them and answer Anglicans of war. Now we preach it. Now Yewura stika sansu di tujache mu say. Sabe enam for some awon ni Musa Dankwa ntem no. Want me transe ema ne ma me kan sem say ya emfa ma me 27 futuro enwu ade hye won hye so asum ema ne nkonko wi eche no. Obesan akopri bio na afese bia sabe oba bedi ncho. Wo se won te ase no ntu wo hye Yewura Musa Dankwa say won samra bio.
I am very demotivated and say I'm going to say I'm more. Either the best user or one of the best users in terms of a buy common fund the debate consume. Who comes and was said no, okay, Kumasi community. It came no a dead blind. My young never be brave when you constituency. In fact, MB before you call him mammy, near me the Sikato banker, Fidelity, or my own committee, Yaria, Sabio, and some koji 500 quarter grow and I love near me Sika, Sabio, May minister, I yam what is here. With another was and that's why I'm bone. But I think say last year of election, deputy minister and Amasro and I'm there near I work hard and sweat and use my money. My certain committees will manage the common fund. This will be a scholarship programming committees. With a youth and development committee, with a sanitation and the environment committee, with a health committee, with education. I said that a bit of it is Slamo because I make a but at the end of Mr. Down say why you know I say expectations of the constituents within currency stabilization look at this and the other AMPs. Because I'm perfect. Because I may be I must share Omunya say Yeni who year you are politics. Yemi I am poor, may you have West. The winning dear papa be a poor man, it didn't be a normal bring it down.
Ebusia in some way see Danu Quadano, Marsha Bedefie, and Ayera, 7 Amwa, or Din Semi Equacotu Jebra, or friends and Trofwa, or Ni Musa Dankwa, or to be a manager and say, Niaye, Seb one Samsung com review is answered, Marsha Bedefie or Crano. Open my shebeje nia wetimi gina ne naso e kan brofo ma speaker ka say ye e won naso a o kan ho bi
ene bedwafie ho a ofan say rebi mra shebeje ni e rekwaje opon kroma na 24-hour economy e ho nsam na obiebie so che se sa 24-hour economy no a aban na aboso ano we odi announcement nya de a sabi ye adwuma nkasa esan se usi form a ayenne baby de krom so mo mpene ma wo mu nsi esan sa de no wo mu hu ne to na wo mu hu ne fro ne nsama wo de to dwani ukuada no.
The 24-hour economy promised about 1.7 million jobs. Its direct 2026 allocation is 110 million Ghana cedis. They now claim that they've created about 160,000 jobs and signed some MOUs, but they are not operating projects. And the totals lean on multipliers of 1 to 4. And if you look at the detail of the 160,000 jobs that they are claiming out of a number of filling stations that they say are operating 24 hours, it's laughable. You all know that filling stations were operating in this country before the NDC came to power. So to claim that about 300 or so filling stations are operating 24 hours as evidence of a functioning 24-hour economy program and 160,000 jobs announced out of it is laughable.
No. Was it way? Was na funu nchemu saa enti we atwetwe asem de wo mo so e na filling station ye adwuma 24 hour no ho ahwan no dada no na e wo ho
na yenkopie mu ewo eda wukwadamu Office of the Special Prosecutor Yerejabe na wakasai ne mranimfo ne eye US court akwakodie nhyiamu na emu nkomodie no eba beto odwa kire se eye US immigration judge Davis Gade wono anachese ojinamu a eye OSP mranimfo omukọ reta so ni nyina no efa Ghana photosanfo nkane yera former finance minister Ken Oforiata so obabe piem o Ghana ha na nsem bia epese de bisa no so obeba so ma ehun komodie ana two lawyers ekokotwahia ya emunsem yera Frank Davis echemu say
he is pedestrian, very pedestrian, coming from a train lawyer. But he informed that the officer that I'm saying again that today they have not been able to notify Ken of his charges. He should do that first, and then the ancillary step of Ken coming to Ghana will follow. But he should bear in mind, if he's not aware, he should bear in mind. He should learn from his principal's office of attorney general. He should bear in mind that there's an extradition request pending. Tell the officer of the assistant prosecutor that in all of this, there's an extradition request pending. First things first, he should notify Kenneth Oforiata of his criminal charges leveled against him. A man can only answer to charges filed against him. He cannot answer anything he has no knowledge of. So he should first take that first step of notifying him. And then when he has done that, he should also think about the extradition request.
Abusuya yera Frank Davis ena yete se odi nsemi tudwa OSP enemu eda ukwada no
na yanko yawada no mu na owura dwanawua oba che se ye ka scammers ene fraudsters enom ne ho ahwan a sabi o na me de bed pass obetimi scam me na me ankasa kura no mani wa awai no obeda scam me no o che se hwe scammers ne de emfa ho ne wunim de udi agoro ye mampani kura won be scam me na wono akura wa ye bi pen wa ye nkyerɛkyerɛ kire sade nkrofo wo mo fa ye wo mo dwuma pa te wo mo to se o ma manfo apo ewie no ono ankasa wo ma apo no kura ye de bi adi no na ne nsɛm ni.
Even get scared because there was a day I was at Joy FM studio to give public education on cyber fraud, and just after the studio, when I sat on the car, I got the fraud at 67. It tells you. I think when I left, they said, "Let's try this guy." Far from cracks, argument. So it tells when it comes to fraud, nobody is safe. Nobody. So the danger we are having in this country, there are people who believe they are immune. It's like their level of education, it takes them out of the fraud, victim population.
We ora John Ewia, wano NSCO Edema Ghana Association of Banks. Ena na wodi afutu yi ma se akwa esemra wo bia ni ho a wobro mra so saa na scammers ne fraudsters ne so wono mayo
na yaw ene ya for da no ya wada ho asem na meken Asante Mantem Ejoso Government Hospital anwanwansem bi si ho emrante bi a se bi entampi na omotwe omokontokwa na jeze omupraye ye don be pie mu ewo Ejoso Government Hospital ye don be du wono ma omocha se ntokwa no manso ba ko ani ti ohun se we prakese no eno santisi ba ko so emunsem omo hospital no abusua mo se de na si ye mo ya mane na ye tiefo entie ne yi
na edom Ejoso Mdomba Hospital differently be the one side and the one side to be a friend about run that's already over the path and down to back when I prepare and get out in the bush of run and I'm boy back on the boy was so run the address of my young Abum Pane our madam one side and some more of back nine on one practice and the first never run and also more discuss no boy now brand can send quantities needs a moon no pen Kawan and I win it in the bank needs a moon pen so all of a sudden they were practicing the interesting cacao or pigeon to whom say winning that's Gina Honas or effecting in Tunis or Perepon, not all of a sudden or during the movement in the United or Perepon hospital already at our corner so I could prepare to unfortunately in the United rebuild when some be an so we can't go from to be our one no one could find incident in Babican Kanyama says and laptops in the mind.
Bawa bedu ena edaya wada no otu edifi Asante Mantem a wode ebesum yen
na ya wada krona no ena owura Yusuf Komeni wono ena ka Adaji Mahmoud bebe ba omiam ho ma wono mokokosra ewura chema wuntumi na wono mokoe no enkoma wo mudi bre ode nani tatokrom ho a wo moka kire no eno na owura Yusuf Komeni wo kan bi kire yen.
It was only appropriate, first of all, to publicly respond to the judgment of the High Court and to mobilize the best legal brains in the party to support the lead counsel Samuel Atachia to mount an appeal against the conviction and to take the further step to go and visit our regional chairman to see his conditions and to encourage him and to share with him the steps that the party is taking to have this injustice. He took advantage of the opportunity to encourage him to stay strong and to be aware that the whole party is solidly behind him and that the party will do everything lawful to ensure that he gets out of this situation.
Yawa danwa Adaji Mahmoud bebe baumia Dr. Franka Crawford Mouse na manyoku na kasa mafo ene Yusuf Komeni ya wo mokokosra chema wuntumi no enkoma wo mudi ene wote ho e kire yen
na eda fiada ne nso no wuntumi wunsem kakra betodwa ebra dom kuma ba no deni osane Alexander Fenyomakin ekogina simpie ne apaso a woyi nsem bi a ebefa eye 2026 media budget review no ho na ebra yera cancel atoforcing egina simpie ne apaso okasawie no ena adom kuma ba no deni Alexander Fenyomakin edi tudwa chemu se ebumahia se oso mu yi yera wuntumi se sie na afenso no afoforo bi a omache wo mu.
You want this to be a one-sided parliament. When people criticize you, you threaten them. A lot of my MPs here have been threatened. You are threatening members of parliament with prosecution. Let me serve a warning to the Attorney General that the ravening clouds shall no longer be victorious. They shall not long possess the sky. Be careful. 2028, you'll be in opposition. 2028, if you are not careful, Mr. Speaker, if you don't stop now, you will go and meet want to me there, and want to me will be out, and you will go in. So I'm advising you, let us all be measured.
Dom kuma ba no deni wo mamra shebedefie Alexander Osahene afenyo marking ena yetene kanabusua ye dan ye huntia wa kopebre so bia fa emirim ye kone e ba ye betie se de fiadem.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo Heba Clinic Accra. And you won't hear, passengers a gumi kaimui, a Hana do one aircraft. Hey, and this Accra and put them at the mo. And yet the Muampa, the Sadia, Atlantic International University, America Memo, about Dr. Dujanfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am Sano, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war, 1 year, 1 city, needs send the 2 months and 8 years cano. Miss Connection and said, I'm going na Esakakra. To say what Pejam Mama, what you bem connection, what you are about the crowd. Stroke so dear, what found small. Chessa, I did you who need yes, no. Yaria Bia Tatia, ever Dr. Tamdaso and so diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria, Yaria Bia. Kumasi say, oh, opposite government school. And then Krahanso, Oba Pim, our Pokuase, Maira Kwanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. Number 0500 727215. Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Wudima for Newa.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Okre Emma Aketiapa papa ampabusua yesane wuram ewo edafia dem na fe ye bobo edisi na edafia da no se ya wada na yewura to ba for Senkrasel wode media review budget no ekokoto dwa wo badwafie ho nti ade achi mfie da de na enkomo no eye no a ana na ekoso na emu ana no wo kire se ye kakuayo ene eho ade ye nwura elkopoku na bobo anu ba bia nko nketenkete wo ma se firi no a de wo ma ye wo ho ebo amakua agina wona na opon chicheku echeye no wono so ne yanchebi.
Out of government feed Ghana program, we have commenced the establishment of the 50 farmer service centers across the country to improve farmers' access to mechanization and extension services. To support this initiative, government has deposited 551 million Ghana cedis into an escrow account at the Bank of Ghana to establish the letters of credit for the procurement of 1,840 units of agricultural machineries and equipment. These include tractors, trailers, power tillers, plows, cultivators, seed drills, sprayers, fertilizer spreaders, and combined harvesters, which will significantly improve farm productivity, reduce production costs, and enhance food security.
We defiada de yewura to ba for Senkrasel will be so ekuafo nso wono mo chefa
na defiada no asante mantem won se MPP amanyoko mu no dwemtene ne owo ye chema huntumi make say ne duafie na obehu na kira kwan enti amunumunu wana omapaw ne oba besi na nimu aye friend acting bi ye friend no Patrick Echampon wono no tena se na osida bi wontimi ndi chema huntumi ade mreko onko sra no enti obomodin ko chema hokoje afuto kakra odu ohu chema enim no se nsentro for wen mi obi bika.
The buses don't go. There's a room the officer session. You have to just go for we are buying rubber. Go for 7 or micro. I go with the assembly. Who buy no one? And you
You a champion no acting MPP regional chairman the man Santimantem ena yete ne eda ifiada no
eda fiada no ena Ghana mampani abedi akiri Her Excellency Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman Professor wobeka san wo chesehwe aban no wababo so pa na waka ne siasi so setechirema no kura no wobeka na what the adoma boa said the be na municipal metropolitan and the district assemblies no ya enkransa South Municipal Assembly ka ho na enkransa North District Assembly wono mo nso ka ho no chefa bia ese wono munya wo nsa be kana 4.4 billion na wo mo allocate edema District Assembly ni say wo mo common fund na de tie.
The research agenda of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama continues to place decentralization at the heart, at the center of national development. As government works to strengthen local governance, today unprecedented resources are being channeled directly to our district assemblies. The government is not only devolving responsibility, but also providing local governments with significant greater resources. The year 2025 was a turning point because change in resources was approved. The budget provides the largest allocation ever to the District Assembly's Common Fund, a release of $4.4 billion.
Eno ya Ghana mampani abedi echiri. Wabenfo de na no poku ajiman. Ne nkomo no edefiada.
Na efiada na yedisi no 10 district chief executive ana wodi ababeto dwa chemu se etuo we wunya pa se wotu amamu na huntu eto a ebaba ne se na impuntu etimi akoso obia ya wo enu nti wonu se abankra chipani ewo eye 10 district wonu ne de won tena senye hwe hansa honorable Salia Idisa onu ena okasa ye odi adesrede ede to eye ya manufofo enu chemu se yenka nche Ghana fo no monte se etuo we enwuhia
eba idea for their oman bia ya de to na chichire man oba ha o yen sheda ni big companies by kakra market tools ni property risk no mo ne we no the man for minim say ya kan o mo ate every na ko no bebre no be start a contribute revenue collectors no kwa o mo nya abotre ma o mo na o mo chechi o mo various aye responsibility to the state aye o mo asede say o mo tu ato na ye fan chichire man no sabi o bebre ba ye kan nyina aye health facility educational facility ya kwan any network we no nyina ye to bua kakra ye gi as a nation ye eno na ye de those developments no this e ko base to bua kakra no emma ye as a district no ye so developmental challenges no in a way no ye ntimi enko ye nim nti ye besra wo mo say revenue collectors no ba wo so enya akomapa na mo ntua no pepa mu na ye so ye mfa nya wo developmental needs no emma wo ye nyina ti asiesa me gidi say time so be fa ne ntomapa afro
enti edinu no time district abankra chepani ena yete se o kasa no yewura Salia Idisa ena yete se odi nsemu yi ede to yama ne bofo animu eda ifiada no
eno so ene yegina na enensem a yede ba ya na wotwe nyina frijoda ebesi fiada yede kan ho no yede sie na sede yede kan bo so kire no afi na afidie no waso a de yede ba ya ye mono na nkansu no bi ene se afoya mantemu so afo a woda wo no ma no ma mereta kosu agi awate ade afutuo bi ama wo no mo a ewo kuyayonsa homa ho a wode nnuane eba me yedie wo no ma edan so se wo mu ninini na yenya pomuden pa
sanso ena president awada Ghana Medical Association ano ede afutuo de akwa ma mu ni nyina ede afa nnuane a yedi hu
eno achi no abusua ye sanso ewurawura mu o eno na ye bobo ya esade na wotwe nyina nsem ednum ede to awo no na moma remfi se just hot kinky wo mo ena boy aboso se anwumre yenya ahoden ne yemebe nsem ni nyina mfa mawo ye bia ma wo no wo mo wodome no commercial bank achipe mo a moto dokono ana se wo dokonton ho dwumadie bia no woto nsafrew wo ya ayefro ayiyo ya ombedidi ase a bra na wo mo package bibia kama mfa mawo yesu ensu na wo mo de no aye ente papa hygienic anwumre wo mo so yemu sada na medimafo eba center Dr. Tam da so woda no wona de time to ye nso a yare bi e wo ho nso no wo se bra na wo mfa time onto yade no so wo nyimfiri wasetenam ebia na wasantemamu a ebu akwa agogo na mo wo nkrade a poku ase mayira eho na yade yira e ma yaresa eba anwumre wo mo nekuta yemu a ye bebe nsen no ma wo na asafo kantanka na de ko media ni nyina so triple A my ejapia apamdada enemedin anwumre mene wedifo
nana opon checheku abusua yadamu nyina ase emamumo ene hwe ene tie yeje yen ahenewa